Hi guys! I was so curious about the newest treatment called Head Spa. Kaya I went to Senses Head Spa sa Opus Mall in Bridgetown in Quezon City. They are located at the 5th floor of the mall and the spa is so beautiful and clean. Alam mong you'll get the best treatment talaga. Before we start the treatment, we did a quick scalp analysis. Grabe, this is eye-opening for me. The revitalizing head spa lasts up to 70 minutes and they have different treatments for sensitive scalp, dandruff control, and oily scalp. The treatment is composed of 4 different steps: scalp health check, massage, cleansing and water therapy, serum application, and post-care. Right now, we are doing the nano machine therapy and applying the hair and scalp mask. As you can see, Ate is very thorough and precise with her strokes. You know I'm already falling asleep. Need I say more? Ate is very good with her massage and it really makes the whole experience even more relaxing. From the shoulder, chest, and arm massage, all my stress went away. After a quick rinse, we are done. We did a post-treatment scalp analysis and my scalp is already looking much better. Curious? Check out Senses Head Spa today.